Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, my name is Amawachi Okonha. Don't get anywhere. This is a very short video, a quick one at that. So I'm going to be making my healthy breakfast smoothie. Yes, you heard me. I've got a lot of questions. People like, how do you keep in shape? Like, how are you still maintaining your body shape? Believe me, I'm a very lazy person. I've never been to a gym. I don't gym at all. But I still maintain my body. Okay. If you're just stopping by for the first time, do not forget to click on that subscribe button. Turn on your bell so when I post a video next, you will definitely be the first person to see it. So, with that being said, this is a very short video. And after watching it, do not forget to drop a lovely comment. So I'll be using just two of my favorite fruits, watermelon and pineapple. So since I'm only one taking it, so I did not make it very much. It's just like maybe a glass or two, and I'll be okay. And this is how I start my day on a regular basis. Like every morning, I just take my fruit from the fridge and put it in my blender, then blend it and take it as a very good, healthy, and delicious smoothie. So if you're looking for a recipe that you'll be making for your smoothie, I will advise maybe you should consider pineapple and watermelon, banana, and a lot of food that's so yummy and delicious. So guys, let me not waste your time since I said it's a very short and a quick video for that matter. Let's just head there and do something. So if you want to make this smoothie, all you're going to be needing is just your fruit, basically your fruit and your electrical or manual blender. Anyone you have can still serve. So I'm going to fix this here. You see, this is so tasty, yummy, and delicious. So if you're looking for a smoothie recipe, watermelon, pineapple is the best for me. I don't know, maybe you should consider it. So tasty, yummy, and most especially healthy. You heard me. Pineapple, apple, watermelon blends together to form a wonderful mouth-watering juice, which is excellent for your kidney and bladder. Moreover, pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has an inflammatory properties, and this enzyme helps in metabolizing proteins that also helps in cutting down belly fat. We all love watermelon, we all love pineapple, but do you know that it can actually helps you to lose some weight? So to everyone out there, this is me saying try this recipe out and enjoy yourself. Make sure you stay healthy, make sure you eat healthy, and moreover, stay happy. So, bye guys.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil, devil. My life is forever gonna shine.